Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Right now I am in the middle of a palette series. What I'm doing is I am taking individual palettes, eyeshadow palettes, and doing different eyeshadow looks with each palette. You know, daytime, glam, cool tone, warm tone, so that you have a good variety for that palette, so that you're not spending 50 something plus whatever dollars on an eyeshadow palette that basically you don't know how to use, or maybe you just know what to do with a few colors. So today we're going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and doing a very cool tone look today. So if you'll just hang on, we'll get right in and I'll scoot you in close. Hi, I'm back. First we're going to take my Koki brush. I'm not sure what, it's number 627. See if you guys can see that. There it is. It's just a blending brush. So right now I'm going to take, see, where are you? This color here. Just blend it all over the base. Now I've already got my makeup on, eyebrows, lips, obviously, but also eyeshadow primer. You just want to get a good foundation, just a dry foundation, pretty much, for the color to spread. Okay. Now I'm going to take this color here. For some crease definition. Same brush. And I'm just putting that right there up underneath the brow bone. Focusing the color more upwards here under the brow bone. Sorry, I'm getting out of frame. Okay. Next, I am going to take a pencil brush from, what is this? Eco Tools. Hope you guys can see that. And it's got a little pencil edge. And we're going to go into this. Where are you? This bottom corner color right here. There is some palette that gets some palette. There is some dust that gets kicked up. When using the Morphe palettes. So just be aware of that and just knock off the excess of your brush. Bring that color right to the V and then into the crease. And repeat on the other side. So funny. I spent a lot of my young life watching my mother put on her makeup, and I always thought she held the weirdest looks on her face. I used to tease her about putting on her mascara and her holding her mouth just right, her tongue just right. And it's true. We all do it. And we're going to take that same brush and go into, there we go, the blue. Twerk is the name of that color, Twerk. Okay, so we're going to twerk a little bit. Continue putting that in the V to darken it up. Into the V to darken it up. And just keep blending. And applying color. Get you in a frame here. Go into the V. Just apply the color. I'm taking wispy strokes. Make sure it's matched on either side. Sorry, I keep getting you guys out of frame. Same brush. We're going to focus this in the middle. The pool party color, the light blue, a little bit of green. All the way underneath, but focused in the middle. The color in the corner. And then the twerky color, the blue, and the outer third. Now we're going to go back to the Koki brush. And wow. Boy, howdy. We're going to learn how to correct that. That's what we're going to do. But first, we're going to take the Koki brush and run it up underneath here to blend. Hold in the mouth correctly. And then we're going to circle blend here. Circle blend. And then windshield wiper blend. We're going to circle blend over here. And then windshield wiper blend. Now, let's fix this. How about it? I'll be right back. Okay, so good old toilet paper. And you just wipe. It will come off. You know, you can use those new, I don't know, some people are cutting pads in half and you're doing all kinds of stuff to keep from doing this. You can also put your eyes on first and then your foundation, and that will help. Okay. Here's that brush I took. Okay. Well, this isn't the one I used, but it'll work. It says it's a foundation brush. It looks like this. It's a flat paddle brush. I like to use this brush for highlight. So I'm replacing my highlighter here on top of where I just took off the pool party color. Frosty green. You can also put some powder, bake there, and then remove the powder bake when you're finished with your eyes. Let's see. Oh, hello. We're not done. Okay. So now I have applied some, I'm trying some new here. Hard Candy Poppin' Pigments Glitter Stay to the part here that has no color on my lid. And I'm going to apply some glitter right there. And it's not showing up. And it's still not showing up. Okay, not as glittery as it's supposed to be. Now I'm going to take my cookie brush and blend. But I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it. And I'm assuming instead of that color that I used, you could use well, let's be realistic, you could use any, but this color here, where are you at? This color here or this color here would be really good in that place there for glitter. Now I'm going to apply mascara, and I'll be right back. I'm back. I hope you like this eye look. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos about concerning the Jaclyn Hill palette or any of the other palettes that have been coming out recently, I'm going to be doing a series on the Carly Bible Deluxe Edition palette. Where's that other one? I got more. Oh, the peaches and the white peach, Too Faced white peach palette, and the Naked Heat Petite palette. I got palettes. I'm going to be doing a lot of eyeshadow looks for these palettes. So, anyway, it's been great spending time with you.